Today we are making a delicious souffle cake, bird's milk cake. Let's get started. Step 1. Make a base. 5 egg yolks and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Also add vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. 35 grams of sugar. And whip with a mixer. Add hot milk 40 grams and mix. Mix 50 grams flour and quarter teaspoon baking powder. Lift into the egg yolk mixture. Mix well. Pour the dough into a 20 cm diameter pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees about 10 minutes. Leave to cool without removing from the baking pan. Trim if the base is too thick. Line the sides of the mold with disbursement of thick film. Step 2. Make a souffle. At first make the butter mixture. 120 grams butter and 60 grams of condensed milk. Beat with a mixer. For the second, preparing gelatin, 22 grams gelatin and 100 grams water. Mix and leave for 10 minutes. Third, make the syrup. Combine water, sugar and vanilla extract. Boil the syrup for about 5 minutes. Fourth, beat the egg white. 5 egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and pinch of salt. Mix about 4-5 minutes. Add the hot sugar syrup little by little and mix. Add the gelatin melted in a water bath or in the microwave. At the end, add the butter mixture. Mix for another 2 minutes. The souffle mixture is ready and smells like ice cream. Step 3. Form the cake. Pour the souffle into the mold. Leave in the refrigerator for an hour. Pour all the melted chocolate. Leave in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. And sprinkle with coconut slices. Leave in the refrigerator for 3-6 hours. I take out the cake after 3 hours. The souffle is ready. but the chocolate has not yet hardened. But I have guests already, and they want to try a cake. This cake smells strongly like ice cream. A souffle with air bubbles that melt in your mouth. This is an amazing cake. Bon appetit and happy culinary masterpieces!